All right, what's up, you guys? I'm gonna post this straight to the Facebook, so hopefully I get it all in one take. But as some of you have seen, I did grenade my clutch recently. I know for a fact I smoked the boo-boo out of this belt at Hidden Falls, so I'm not even sure what went first, the belt and that, or both at the same time. I don't know. It boogered up the secondary a little bit, or a lot of it. So the good news is I haven't done the recall. This is actually Fuji's clutch, and this is my clutch, and I found a crack on this one like 2 years ago, so I've been running that one for a solid 2 years, no problems. It grenaded, it broke the whole belt box, so I have both covers here and here somewhere. There it is. There's the metal one. These things are not cheap. And then here's my plastic. Get out of there. There's my plastic outside cover. I'm hoping Progressive Power Sports and Granbury has my clutch in stock on Monday. Well, I think they're closed Monday, so hopefully they get it on Tuesday. They set me up an appointment, so hopefully I can put this on, take it to them. They'll do the recall, install the new clutch, and we'll be good to go for Mud Nationals. We got plenty of belts in here. Besides that, another upgrade we're going to go ahead and do while we're in here is, some of you may have seen my TikTok video from a few years ago. This is, I think I got it loose already, the snorkel kit. Oh wow, did y'all see that? Oh, shit. All the pieces, broken pieces of clutch material just fell out. So this was my janky makeshift snorkel out of PVC, except for the cover Fuji made me. Well, I finally jumped the gun. I'm going full dig rig snorkel. They sent me over this nice, what do you call this, rubber intake tube and their signature elbow. So now, oh, look at that. Oh, nice. I do run their adapter. Now I'm running their full snorkel. They've also sent me 2 more elbows. So I'm going to be able to bring this stock pipe up out of this one and my intake, because here recently I've been having a lot of trouble with that. Anytime I hit a mud hole, this cakes up and the machine runs like shit. You guys check them out. We are now an authorized dealer, so come check us out at MB Off-Road. Let us know if we can help you out. But yeah, Mud Nats crunch time. It's Saturday. Hoping I got plenty of time, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. All right, what do y'all think? We're already here. I was washing this thing. It looks like it has a crack. Maybe. I haven't pulled it off yet. Focus. Why won't it focus? That kind of looks like a crack to me. There it goes. There's the crack. It looks like it goes into the clamp. We're already here. What do y'all think? We're at MB Off-Road. Yeah, it's my shot. Who cares? Everything's right there. We already have a whole badass kit from Dig Rigs Power Sports. We have this funny looking guy. I forget what it's called, J-tube or P-tube or whatever it may be. We have the intake side. We have the charge tube. And we have a blow off. What do y'all think? Should we just go ahead and run the whole kit? I say fuck it. Let's do it. We got all day, baby. Let's go.